So hello friends, welcome back to my channel where you get internship and job updates. So today I have brought you a great opportunity from Airbus. So Airbus is hiring for internship opportunity and they are giving roles in New Delhi, and it is a full-time opportunity for those who are looking for internship at a very big MNC and in airline sector also. So if I tell about the job description, so they are looking for an assistant for which can assist the MOC duty manager in creating work orders related to defects. So if you don't know about MOC, so MOC stand for management of change. So those who have a little bit knowledge about this, they will surely know. And you have also to assist MOC duty manager in defect cell analyst and delay and defect management, line and material engineering planning also. If I talk about the key responsibilities that they are looking for is accountabilities, in which you have the to work with orders for obvious discrepancies and completeness as laid down in the various company document in accordance to instruction provided by shift MOC staff, and you have to follow up along with all the reported discrepancies related to MOC functions also. If I talk about the skills and knowledge that you should have before applying this job, they are looking for in a candidate is highly organized and structured in excellent computer skill, which they are looking are Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, G Suite, etc. And should have able to take initiatives and capable capacity to work in an unstable and under setup environment, because the airline sectors are very unstable nowadays. So that's why they have before only they have told that it will be an unstable and under setup environment also. And excellent communication skill is must requirement for this job. Excellent level of spoken and written English also should be assertive, especially when dealing with unforeseen event that affect the plan. Should be a team player and have a proactive approaches with colleagues and knowledge about Indian international aviation regulations also, because at the end you will be working with a great airline giant Airbus. And if I you can read about more about the company here. They have listed about like they are 50 and 50 years old and they are rich in local heritage also. So you can read about it. The link is in the description. You can check it out. And experience level they are looking for a student. So it is a great opportunity for students who are looking for internship at a big airline company. So this is our first internship. Now, if I take you to the second internship, it is a front-end intern. The job location is situated in Gurugram, Haryana. So if you are someone who is looking in the northern India phase of for internship and you have just recently passed out or you are still in college, you can apply for this also. And they are Syfe, which is a company that is on a mission to empower people to grow their wealth for a better future. So it is a wealth management company, I can say. And for more details, you can read about them. Also, the link of the apply button is in the description. So they are looking for a candidate that can design and build new features, simplifying their existing services and scale their systems as they rapidly grow and evolve, and can use reusable and can create reusable patterns to improve their consistency of the code bases, collaborate with engineering teammates through planning, pairing, testing, and reviewing the delivery of the features that you build, work with the product team to translate powerful ideas. So if you have any idea related to their product, like how the company can grow, how the product can be more utilized towards the business value and everyday uses also, so you can also work with the team to discuss that and write suitable and testable highly quality high performance code also. So at the end you are dealing with your code, so it is a must, or I can say it is a good opportunity for a student who have done their full stack training or front end engineering in their college days and are looking for a startup to start their career. So it is a who are great fit for this. So if you are having a problem solving skill, analytics mind and positive attitude, it is a great fit for you, and a firm grasp of JavaScript. They are asking for JavaScript, TypeScript, and nuances, including ES6 plus syntaxes and experience working with React.js, React Native, a plus no, but not required. So if you have made a couple of projects in React.js or React Native, so it will be well and good. But they have mentioned that it is not that much required, and so it is good also. But you should have a basic knowledge of JavaScript, and you should have also made some of the good projects in JavaScript with ES6 plus syntaxes and curiosity about how things work. So if you want to know how things work in the finance sector and how the JavaScript is being used and all the other React and other front end things that are that you have studied and want to implement that, then it is a great opportunity for you. You can go in the description and check out the link and hit the apply button here, and you will be redirected to submit the application page, where you can fill out the form and you can apply for the job. So that's it in this video. See you in next video. And if you are looking for more internship, so check out my previous video also. Yesterday I have made some videos for internship which are remote, and do share this video for with your friends who are in search of internship. Thank you.